together we achieve.
Morning everyone, I hope you're okay at home. We've got lots of videos to watch this week in a different video on YouTube. Hope you enjoy them. We sing the good morning song. Good morning to everyone, to everyone, to everyone. Good morning to everyone, good morning to you. La 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 la, good morning to you.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing okay at home, having lots of fun and enjoying this lovely sunshine. See you soon.
Hello everyone. Can you say hello? Hello. Hello.
Hello everyone, we hope you're all okay and having a great time at home. We miss you lots in school and hopefully it won't be too long till we're all back together.
Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Enjoy the sunshine. Bye.
Hello everybody, I hope you're okay and staying safe with your families at home. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket. Got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it. So don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I should.
Here and a flap, flap, there. Here a flap, there a flap, everywhere a flap, flap. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Big.
Bigger.
Is that bigger?
It's bigger.
And that's bigger.
It's bigger.
And that's bigger.
Bigger.
And that's bigger.
Baba Black Sheep.
Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane.
Come and visit us at www.singinghands.co.uk.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me, look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. It's my skin.
Hi everyone. Bit of a different message from me this week. I'm going to start by saying hi. Hope you're all okay and you're all being good and behaving for your families. But for this week, it's me saying bye. Unfortunately, I'm leaving the school. My contract has finished and I'm going to go on and work somewhere else for now. After lockdown is finished, I'm going to be able to come back. I'm going to be able to say goodbye to you all properly and be able to see you all. Okay. I want to say thank you to all of you for welcoming me to the school, making me feel so welcome and giving me lots and lots of happy memories. And I'm going to miss every single one of you, especially all my little kestrels. Like I say, I will be back to say goodbye. Promise. Everybody be good. Enjoy the sunshine when you can. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the assembly. Take care and we'll see you soon. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone, see you next time. Goodbye everyone, see you next time. Bye.